type of the climate controller. One is the program temperature
How
curve.
many, how
Ah,
many, how
this
many
one is
kind of
uh,
controllers, Mr. Chattree? Let me know that total how many kind of controllers you invented, you sold in Pakistan. What type of controllers?
in Pakistan.
Let us know that.
This one, Aton, this model sell in Pakistan. Hmm, this one. This one is like the step on off. Step on off is mean no temperature curve. No temperature curve. Just say like fan. They have the 12 fan. 12 fan. 12 fan that in a fan one you can set what temperature you want on to turn on the fan. What temperature you want to turn off. Something like this. So and easy. Uh,
Yes,
12
I know.
fan
I
one
install a lot
cooling.
of this RT.
Yeah,
Yes, I installed a lot of this,
in the farm.
uh, and in which
Yeah,
controller do
yeah.
you have a winter for winter ventilation or for the negative pressure curve? In which controller you have this characteristic of the negative pressure and for winter
This one.
ventilation? Yes,
Yeah,
right.
yeah. If the for the stack picture, right? Okay, you can see this one.
And
This
how
is
many?
sensor. What we
Please,
have?
please,
We have
guys,
the
please
temperature
let me
sensor.
know.
No.
Mr. Chattree, will you please go
Mm.
to the back, go back, please,
Yep.
your previous slide,
Yep.
and this controller, Artron, uh, is 2030.
620. Six 620. Yeah, 620.
Uh,
670. This
Okay,
one.
620. Let us know
This
that
one from this one.
how many temperature sensor and how many negative pressure sensor, how many ammonia sensor we will install in this controller, and the characteristic of the for the winter ventilation, and how it is best for the livestock of the Pakistan, special Pakistan climate. You suggest that this is the best. Why
Ah,
you suggest
okay.
for the best? Yes.
If for the if you want to control the air inlet by pressure static pressure sensor, you want to choose this model Gem Arton 620 because this one have the DC output. So and then you can connect the static pressure, or if you want to use the static pressure, you can set by the step fan because uh, if the 10 output fan, you can say the fan one how many percent of the outlet. When the fan two, how many percent? This is a no need static pressure. But if you want to control by the static pressure, yes, it's very easy. Just set the pressure. Pressure you require the pressure. Then the motor for the control the air inlet. They will adjust
Okay,
by
okay.
automatically. Ah,
Okay, Mr.
yeah,
Chattree, let me know that I understand that you told me that we have two options in this controller. We have two
yeah,
options. One
yes,
for
true.
you can use with the pressure control, and the second
Yeah,
option is that we can make the adjustment of the inlet. Let's suppose our first fan, when our first fan start for the minimum ventilation, the
yeah,
inlet will open only 10% and the first fan,
yeah,
and the
yeah,
second fan
yeah.
and the inlet will be open 20%, and this we will be set in this controller.
Yes, yes, yes. Right, right.
You
Yes,
mean you
right. You're
mean
right. Yeah.
it's same like the scope and big Dutch band controllers where we we set the low power curve, low power ventilation calculations,
yeah,
and we
yeah,
set the inlet opening with the exertion of fan and reference to the negative pressure which we set for the house, we target for the house. Do you mean
yeah,
this?
yeah, yeah,
So let me know
yeah.
that how you the procedure that how can we set our first fan, second, third fan, and inlet opening the fan exertion. How we will
Good,
do this
good,
on
good,
this controller?
good question. Good question. For the control the air inlet, for the control air inlet, it depends on what kind of the gear motor you choose. The gear motor, the two type. One is just like the on and off, open and close. No, no, no. The second type is have the potentiometer. Potentiometer is mean is send the the information is how to say
Inlet opening information that how
yeah,
many
yeah,
percent inlet will be
send the
open
signal
and
back to the controller. So the first one open and close, that is quite the simple one, right? The simple
for
one,
calibration for
firstly,
calibration, huh?
yeah, calibration by time from the close until 0% to 100% by time.
Yes.
Example, if we say the 100%, they will count when you calibrate. They will count by time from the 0% to the 100%. If 0 to 100% is a 100 cent, right? That is mean 10 second is a 10%.
Right. Reference to
Ah,
time.
ah,
Yes.
yeah. That is a simple one. But if the second type now they have the potentiometer send signal back to the controller. That is mean the controller will know the percentage because the first one, if someone to adjust by the manual, so this is a problem. The problem is when the controller set open or close, but it's not properly. It's not same. So the controller will recalibration by automatically. I think in program you use like this or
Yes.
electric off. If it come on again, it will be calibrate again, something like that. So now we also supply the gear motor with the potentiometer. This one is no problem because the controller will know the how to say the positioning. So if the someone to adjust by themselves, but the position is changed, right? But the controller, if they know that this is 20%, they will turn back to the 20%. Ah, it's like that. Now we have the two type. Also the 620, 620 also can do above. Yeah. We also supply the gear motor also. Yeah. Okay. I move to the another thing. This is a sensor. We also have the temperature sensor, humidity, digital water meter, static pressure, CO2 sensor, and ammonia. Mhm. And this is a scale, a weight scale. Okay. We
Okay.
have
And let us know that what is the cost of ammonia sensor and potentiometer? What is the cost? Approximately.
approximately, right? like the ammonia CO2 ammonia is 400 US dollar.